Ryan, let's talk about today. If you have a mortgage, once you close on your home, can that payment that you make to your mortgage every month increase over the life of the loan?
Yeah, we get this question often, and the answer is like it is a lot of the time. It's yes and no. The
Right?
majority of the mortgages, my team finances are 30-year fixed, and this means that your rate and the principal and interest that won't change for 30 years. But a part of your payment that can change over time is your escrows. And recently we spoke about escrow accounts, which collect the monthly tax and insurance portion of your mortgage payment to pay those bills when they come due. Now, when your property value increases and property taxes go up, and recently, we've seen home insurance premiums go up as well. So as taxes and insurance increase, we have to collect more in your escrow account to make sure these bills are covered. So your payment increases to really to accommodate these higher bills. So really to recap, your full mortgage payment is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, or PITI for short. And the first part of that doesn't change, the P&I or principal and interest. But really, yeah, that second part, the taxes and insurance, they do increase over the life of the loan, which will increase your monthly payment as well.
So can it ever go down?
Yes, if you find cheaper home insurance, or if property taxes remain kind of stagnant or even go down in some cases, it's rare, but it could happen. Yeah, then there are cases where your escrow account will be reassessed and a payment could go down. But 95% of the time, with home values and taxes and home insurance is going up, your property, your payment will go up as well. Yes.
Got it. Got it. Well, thank you, Ryan. Yeah, we get that question quite a bit. So if you guys have any other questions for us, definitely always reach out, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys.